What's up? Hello everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. Guys, I'm currently coming live from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you the new road they are constructing here in Sukuta, the Gambia, West Africa. So guys, before wasting much time, let me just turn the camera and start showing you guys how this new road looks here in Sukuta. Plus I'll be showing you how the neighborhood of this part of Sukuta looks too. So guys, as you guys can see, this is how it looks here. This is the new road. Yeah, they are constructing here in Sukuta. Yeah, as you guys can see, this is the Gambia, West Africa. So guys, the thing is, like, they already put the asphalt. Yeah. So guys, the thing is, like, they already put the asphalt on this road. Just take a look. Yeah, just take a look. Yeah. So there's an ice cream seller over there. This is how most of the people here sell ice cream. Yeah. They just put the ice cream into a cooling box. Yep. And guys, this is how this environment looks. Yep. Wow. So guys, I'm seeing new buildings coming up here. Yeah, today is my first time around this neighborhood. So yeah, but this area is part of Sukuta though. Yeah, this is Sukuta for you. The Gambia in 2025. Yeah. Guys, this is what I'm getting for you in this part of Sukuta. Yep. And then if you watch the video till here, just kindly give this video a big thumbs up. It helps YouTube to push the video to a larger audience. And please subscribe. Yeah, your subscription motivate us to create more videos because it increases the growth of our channel. Yeah, those viewers, this is Sukuta, and that's where I started the video over there. Yeah, and then walking all the way deep inside Sukuta. Yep, let's go, guys. There's a corner shop. Yep. Guys, help me in the comment section if you know what part of Sukuta is this. Yeah, help me in the comment section because today is my first time here. Yeah, this part of Sukuta. So let's go, guys. So guys, this is a masjid, as you guys can see. Yeah, there's a masjid. The thing is, like, majority of the Gambian population are Muslims. Yeah, that's why you guys will be seeing, when you visit the Gambia, you guys will be seeing mosques everywhere. Yeah. Wow. I don't even know where this road leads to. This street, I don't even know. Let me keep on walking straight this way, the way I'm facing. So guys, this neighborhood is like a new settlement. Yeah, this part of Sukuta, this other neighborhood, it's like a new settlement. Yeah, because I'm seeing so many buildings coming up. Yeah, this is a school. Okay, it's a nursery school. Yes, viewers. Anyways, viewers, so guys, this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. Guys, this is all what I have for you here in this part of Sukuta, the Gambia, West Africa. I'm out. It's your boy Prince Seka. I'm out. Peace.